Montgomery County Executive Isiah Leggett signed into law this week legislation that grants builders and homeowners a property tax credit for the inclusion of accessibility features in residential housing. Lorna Virgili was at the bill signing ceremony. Lorna?
Sonia, as a county executive put it, it's about creating a community for a lifetime with accessibility for the aging and also persons with disabilities. The newly signed Design for Life law grants up to $10,000 in property tax credits to builders and homeowners that include accessibility features in housing.
Simply put, this legislation will provide property tax credit for builders and homeowners for the inclusion or building of accessibility features into their new and existing residential housing to improve mobility for seniors and those with disabilities.
Councilmember George Leventhal sponsored the legislation based on recommendations by members of the Commissions on Aging and Disabilities.
The reality is we all get older every year, and all of us will need these improvements in our home. We also benefit from the great input in our society and in our economy of people with disabilities of all ages who need to have accessibility, livability, and visitability. As Ike mentioned, the wide hallways, the railings, the improvements to the bathroom, the kitchen, the doorways, and, as in my case, the steps to our homes.
Homeowners will be able to take a $2,000 property tax credit every year for up to 5 years for improvements that make their home more accessible to seniors and persons with disabilities. Improvements such as no-step entrances, wider interior doors, grab bars, and switches and outlets at wheelchair-accessible levels.
Well, I'm a realtor by profession, and I have a son who's a wheelchair user. And it took me months to find a place that could accommodate his needs. And I'd been aware of that, and as a civil rights advocate, I felt it was discriminatory.
In Rockville, for County Report This Week, I'm Lorna Virgili.